Imagine getting a certificate from Google, yes, Google, that can boost your job chance, grow your business, and also upgrade your skills. And guess what? You are not going to be paying a dime for it. In this video, I'm going to be walking through the step-by-step on how to get Google free certificate courses. And the good thing about this course is that you can use this certificate that you are going to get at the end of this course to get a job in any industry you want to work in. And can use this certificate to work online and offline. And you can also use this knowledge that you are going to get access to from these courses to also boost your businesses. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that I can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. So anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive into the video. Come to your Google Chrome or any browser that you are using. Then type Google course, Google courses. It's going to bring you to this interface. Now you're going to scroll down until you see this particular one, Coursera.org. So that is the one you are going to click on. You are going to click on Coursera.org. It's going to bring you to this interface once you click on it. So the next thing you're going to do, you are going to type on this search bar. You're going to type which type of course that you want to learn. There are different courses on this website. You can learn anything in this particular website. So let's say we are going for digital marketing. You want to learn some courses on digital marketing. Once you type that on the search bar, you're going to bring in different courses. Now the ones that you can get access to free of charge, this one that you can see free trial, if you click on it, you can get access to it for 7 days. That's 1 week as a new user. But the ones that you can see free, this one you can get access to it totally free of charge without you paying any amount for it. So you can see this one, digital marketing strategy. So if you like that one, depending on what you are going for. So the ones that you must go for is those ones that are showing free of charge. These are the ones that you can get access to totally free of charge. So you can see this one, Google Ad for beginners. This one is totally free of charge, and this course is less than 2 hours. You can get access to this course and you are going to get access to a certificate. So let's click on it. Let's say we are going for this one. It will bring it to this interface, Google Ad for beginners. So you scroll down. The course will last you for 2 hours. You can learn at your own pace. What you will learn: create a Google Ads account and set up your first campaign structure, create ad group, do keyword research, set up audience targeting, and write ads. Learn how to use the tools and settings available to optimize campaign and make them profitable. Skills you will practice: online advertising, campaign management, target audience, pay-per-click advertising, digital advertising, keyword research. So these are the things that you're going to practice in this session, and at the end of the day you're going to be getting access to a certificate that you can share on LinkedIn or other platform that you can use to get access to your job. So you can add this certificate to your portfolio. Now this course is taught in English language, so you can just go through all of what you're going to be learning in this course. Then so you can see everything you're going to be learning in this course. Now once you have gone through and you are satisfied with what you want to learn in this course, then click on enroll for free. So you can see that this place is going to show enroll for free for those courses that are free. So if you click on it, enroll for free, once you click on that, you take it to this interface. So you enter your full name, your email, and you create a password. Then you join for free. Once you are typing your full name, your password, and your email, then you click on join for free. It will bring you to this interface, Google Ads for beginners. Start learning from this guide project. You click on projects. So I can now start to go through the course. You must check out the I commit to complete this guide project. Then click on get started. So congratulations, I've finally gotten access to this course for free of charge. Then I can start going through this course. So this is how you can be able to get access to Google free certificate courses free of charge, and this will help to boost your skill, grow your business, and also give you the access for you to get more high paying job. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. If you want to learn more skills online, you can be able to get access to more resources like this. You can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.